We have another AUSDOM HOLA 98 Pro. This one in a green and white profile. Okay, so with AUSDOM's HOLA 98 Pro, they offer various colors, but this one is special in the fact that it's super silent. That's what they say, so let's see what they mean by that. So here are the keys right here, if you can see. Okay, here we go, let's click. Holy crap, you don't hear anything. Spacebar, you can hear that, but really it's a super silent keyboard. So this is definitely a plus for those who want something super silent. Yes, and it's heavy as well, so that means it definitely has many layers of foam for sound suppression, but man, this is really cool and